Hi, Joel Ostrom from That Guy Woodco here, and we're going to be shaping some edges on the elm slab today. We have an assortment of spokeshaves and draw knives to use. We have a round bottom Veritas. It's patterned after a Preston. This is a flat bottom Preston made in England. Here's a Lie-NielsenBoggsSpokeshave and a Stanley Spokeshave. And then we have a Lie-NielsenWeatherby. This is a bevel down draw knife, and this Shirts draw knife was made by a blacksmith in Pennsylvania long ago. It's bevel up. So you can see here how the edge is just been sawn and sanded, and how there's a little bit of fiber tear out. And then here I have started to do just a tiny little chamfer so that that edge is not a sharp edge any longer. And this bevel up draw knife does pretty well. So here we have the Lie-Nielsen beveled down Weatherby pattern draw knife, and we're going to try that on the same edge. This one works pretty good as well. Looks like there's a little bit of tear out from the jigsaw cutting. Now we'll try and do some of the same things with spokeshaves. Here's the Stanley Spokeshave. Spokeshave takes a much lighter cut, but it's also more controlled. You can see how that is. It's a little wavy in here from the sanding, but it's doing the job. We'll try this English-made Preston's old Spokeshave now and see how that works. This one has a bit of a smaller sole than the Stanley, so you can cut more aggressively with it. It actually is pretty nice. Now we're working with the Veritas round bottom Spokeshave, and you can vary how you feed because of the way the bottom is. So this will be a good one to use on convex portions of what I'm trying to do with cleaning up these live edges on this elm slab. Makes it more nice to the touch and kind of exposes some of the insides of this knotty, barky edge. Here's the Lie-NielsenBoggsSpokeshave on the long grain. This one I usually use for my finished Spokeshave, so it cuts very, very clean, usually. We'll see how it does in this elm. It's working nice on this curve here. Very nice.